Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a UWS low profile crossover box. Let's get into it. All right, one of the great things about this unboxing video is I get to show you how these are packaged. This is one of the differentiators that UWS has, is that they basically double box a handful of their boxes, which allows it to ship parcel, which saves you a whole lot of money when you need it shipped to you. It doesn't need to ship on a pallet, and the damage rate is significantly lower than just your traditional toolbox that is going to get shipped on a pallet. So bear with me while I unbox this larger item. So right on top here we have these, and on the side, a mixture of these, looks like foam padding, seal the air, but it feels like there's foam in here as well. Some of this foam as well. This is tucked in on the sides and on the top. More foam pieces here on the corners. Common place for damage. More foam, corner foam, some foam on the sides. Now, as you can see from the condition of this box, it's a little bit beat up, some tearing in here from being shipped via parcel carrier, but it's designed to take all those hits because there's another box inside here. And now on the inside of this box, you can see we have another box that's in pretty pristine shape. So that outer packaging did its job. So just another box to open here. This is also the 69-inch wide crossover box, which is going to be for the full-size trucks like the F-150 behind me, Super Duties, Chevy and Dodge as well. They're half-ton and three-quarter, one-ton trucks. This is going to be the standard box size. Now again, it's a low profile, so it's a little bit lower beneath the bed rail, a little bit lower above the bed rail as well, as opposed to the standard box where everything kind of shifts upwards a little bit. The other thing is this secure lock right here. Now this, you turn it to unlatch it, then you're going to lift, and the top is going to open. Now, one of the cool things about this lid is it's foam filled, foam back, so there's no wobble in this lid at all. You push it down in this top corner, you're not getting any kind of torquing, twisting in the lid. It's gonna come right down. Also do have a foam gasket right here that's gonna go all the way across four corners of the lid, and we do have our two latches right here that are gonna go into each of these paddles. So you can open this from either side. You don't need to open both latches with both hands to open it, so you can be at the side of the bed and open this up. It does have our gas struts in here. It's going to open this lid up all of the way and hold it up and open in place. Now, a few other things about this box that are kind of nice is it comes with this bed rug carpet inside of the box. So it's along the bottom and up the edges a little bit. And it's also right here on your wings or the sides that overhang the bed rail. Also gonna come with this plastic organizer tray right here. Benefit of it being this composite material is it's not gonna rattle around and make a whole lot of noise like some of those metal ones can do in these boxes. Now, all of your installation hardware and accessories is going to be in the box. Looks like we just have two little J-hooks right here. It's gonna latch underneath the bed rail. You also have a set of keys. There's also a set of keys zip tied up here to this front strut. That may be out of view for you, but zip tied up to this front strut right there. We do have two sets of keys right there. And then we also have our installation manual right here in the box, fully illustrated, shows you everything. It's not just a QR code, which is a nice addition from UWS. Now, this is a dual lock latching system, so if you lock one side, both sides are going to be locked. If you want to lock both of them for extra security, you can do that as well. But if you lock one side, you're not gonna be able to open the other side as well. As I tilt this box forward slightly, you can see here we do have some built-in organization tools. It looks like a little screwdriver tool holder right here on the side. You have 5 slots on one side, 5 slots on the other. Already mentioned the built-in tray. Already mentioned this built-in bed rug liner right here that's on the bottom and on the sides as well. And we do have kind of a built-in guard right here that's gonna prevent tampering from being able to disable the locks or get into the box that way. Now, this box is offered in a variety of different sizes and color options. We have the matte black here, but you can also get it in that traditional bright aluminum color as well as a gloss black. Now, you can get this latching system just in your traditional pull style latch, or you can get the secure lock latch And then it also is offered in kind of slim, wide, deep, and even gull wing configuration. So just a ton of different options from UWS on this box. It's going to fit your exact needs that you're going to need for your trade or whatever you're going to be using your toolbox for, as well as the specific truck that you're going to mount this in. Now, one of the big things about truck toolboxes in general is you want to make sure that it's going to fit in your bed. So you're going to want to look at those measurement guides as well as measure your bed. We also do have some application guides that show you kind of confirmed fitments of what boxes will fit in what trucks to help you out that way as well. Now, one of the great things about this is it is a one-piece aluminum tub, which is going to cut down on any potential places for water to get in and things like that. It's going to be a high quality material. This is a thicker aluminum material, so it's going to be one of those premium boxes that you can get for your truck. Now, just to get you an idea of how this lid opens, you can see that we're at basically a 90-degree angle opening up all the way, so you're gonna have plenty of access into the truck. I know sometimes these lids can sit, you know, almost like that, and then you try and pull out your toolbox or something like that, and you gotta kind of finagle it out of the box. So just a great wide opening of this lid from UWS. Now, I mentioned this bed rug material in here, but it's actually removable. So there's some Velcro that you can just peel it off, and you can take this completely out if you need to wash it out, or you don't want to remove it, or whatever you may need to do. It's completely removable, and you can put it back in there. Those Velcro strips stay on the inside, and you can put it back in pretty easily. Now, in terms of installation, it's pretty easy. There's just gonna be one of these J-bolts per side. There's already a pre-drilled location underneath this flange right here. It's gonna come in under here, secure it with a nut, and you're gonna be good to go. So installation is gonna be really easy. Now, there's only one hole per side. Now, one of the great things about that is going to cut down on any moisture being able to get into here, because that's basically the only point for water to get inside this box. So it's going to be a watertight seal inside this box. Now, as I shut this lid, I just want to show you one more thing that you get with the UWS boxes. Is this one is just kind of your standard lid. You can also get it with a built-in rail. So if you want to strap things down or have that rail, that look, or whatever you may need to use that for, you can get that option with these boxes and a lot of the different configurations as an optional upgrade. Now, that just about does it for the unboxing of this UWS crossover box. Now, if you're looking for this box or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.